guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you can join the team and never miss a video. So today we're working on a Ford Taurus, as you can see. So we've been throwing a code, which I'll show you that here in a minute, about the fuel pressure sensor, and it's reading high pressure. And we already went and changed the fuel filter to see if that, from being dirty, might have made the pressure higher. And also the fuel pump and everything's good. So we went and picked up a new one, which was like 23 bucks, 24 bucks on Amazon. So we're going to give this a try and see what that'll make a difference. So here we go. Alright guys, so this is the code it's throwing. Like I said, we already changed the fuel filter and everything else, and the fuel pump's good, which they say 90% of the time that the fuel pressure sensor is the problem. If you have any kind of fuel pressure problems, that's usually the cause. So the problem we're really having is every now and then it'll like sputter and stall for a second. So let's see. Alright guys, so you have a plug here, which is just a simple clip, and then there's this vacuum line right here. It just slides off, and then you got 2 bolts on each side, which are 7mm. So here we go. There we go. And yes, there was pressure on it. And you just have 2 little O-rings on there that seal it. And that's all there is to it. So now, you get the new one. You put a little grease on those O-rings and you pop it back in, and then 2 bolts.
Oh no.
Alright guys, so now that we got the fuel pressure sensor replaced and I got all the codes cleared and everything, we're gonna fire it up and see how she's running.
Give Bigfoot time to get in there.
Yeah. Making sure it don't leak anywhere.
That almost got in that belt.
Alrighty then. Alright guys, so that's how you change the fuel pressure sensor. we're gonna drive it around for a while and see if it fixed it or if it throws any more codes or anything. So if it does, that'll be an updated video. So if you like the video, make sure you smash the like button and don't forget to join the team. Click the subscribe button, please.
March coming soon.
And I'll see you soon. Bye.